I woke up with you on my mind. Watch the air turn.
Naming makapangyarihan, kusang lugar ang mahal sa amin. Kaya sinugong mo yung anak upang kami nasandal sa paniniin ng sala ay mabigyan ng daya. Sa tada ng krus na banal, loobin mo na mga batang bibinyagan ay maging malaya sa pagkaalipin ng bunga ng pagsuway ng nilikha mo unang tao. Lukuman nawa sila ng banal ng Espiritu upang sila'y mapustos ng diwa na muling pagkabuhay niyong anak. Inilulunod namin sa pamamagitan ni Jesucristo kasama ng Espiritu Santo magpa sa walang hanggan.
Amen.
There's a quiet moving in your ways. It's a peace I've never known. Build my anchor flowing in your ways. Slow it down and call you home. You set my soul on fire. You pull my heartbeat towards the sun. You give me new eyes open. You call my heartbeat into love.
You're my sunshine every morning.
I wish you to always have the courage to fulfill your dreams and be God-fearing. Wish you all the best.
My tongue and tied it, send my heart over the moon. It come fly.
So, kay Baby Marcus, sa ngayon, hindi yung pag-anong maintindihan ng mga bagay-bagay. But later on, nandito lang kami ni Ninang Say. Anytime you need help, anything, nandito kami to guide you.
I hope you grow up to be a kind and jolly. I love you, Marcus!
My heart race in a hurry.
Welcome to the Christian world, inaanak. And my prayer and my wish for you is matupad sana lahat ng wish ng mga ninang at ninang mo sa'yo today. And of course, yung dreams ng parents mo for you is matupad. And yung dreams mo din for yourself is matupad.
Come fly away with me. Imagine all the things that we could see. Yeah, don't you know that?
Marcos, hope you grow up big, strong, then healthy. Just follow your parents, then that's it. Be a good citizen to this country. That's all.
Hi Marcos! I wish you nothing but all the best. All the best in life. I wish all your dreams come true. Lahat ng gusto mo kahit ano yan. Basta para sa ikabubuti mo, support namin mo. Saka gusto lang namin maging healthy ka. Healthy, strong, mabait, mag-aaral ka ng mabuti. Yun lang. We love you so much.